How to read your spark plugs to spot hidden engine diseases? Pull a spark plug and look at the tip. It's the ultimate health report for your cylinder. If the deposit is a light tan or gray, your engine mixture is perfect. If the plug is completely black and sooty, you are running way too rich, drowning the cylinder in fuel. If the tip is stark white, your mixture is dangerously lean, which overheats valves and melts pistons. Wet oil on the plug means blown valve seals or rings. What color were your plugs during the last swap?